Great design is the extension of the human experience. It doesn't distract or get in the way of someone accomplishing their task.
Building products that are going to stand the test of time is one of the things that we take pride in Design First. Something that is going to be a new experience in the user's hands, give a user confidence they're going to do what they expect it to do.
When we approach a design, it's not always just a great look that we're after, but also the weight and the tactile feel of the design, which will create a great user experience.
One of the great benefits of Design First is really the depth of the team in so many different areas. You have to have smart people that have been there, done that, made all the mistakes, and sometimes just that instinct, they won't go down a path because they just know that's not the place to go.
Customers can expect a world-class product from Design First because of the quality and the research and the development that we put into trying to bring that product to market.
I think clients come back to Design First because they really enjoy working with our team, and they know that the breadth here is huge. Everyone's really good at what they do, and they're confident they're going to get a good result.